picture.
Yeah.
Oh, you're on. Nick. Here, hold his thing and record it.
I got it. Nick, give me the GoPro.
He's on.
Double up.
Come here. Show this fish real quick, though.
Look at that.
We're doubled up.
Look at that. That's me. That's me. And then that's Nick.
Dude, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Out here at the Delaware River. I don't even know what we're fishing for. It's raining, it's flooded. But we're out here. Watch out, thanks.
Oh, it's a big one. It's a big
Dude,
one.
I'm trying not to, bro.
It's a biggie.
Come on, come here, buddy.
Right when you walk away.
I know, right?
I got you.
Here, you wanna record me?
Yeah, I'll record you, bro. Alright. Right when he walks away, hooks up.
I don't think it's as big as yours.
It's probably 15 plus, dude. Do you think this is like good aiming at you?
Yes.
All right.
It's a wide
Right when he walks away. No, you could walk in if you really wanted to.
Really?
Yeah.
It's still like playing, right? Say it's playing. On the
Yeah.
top. Let's get this guy here.
Yeah. A decent one.
It's a carp, you know. Any carp plays. Let's get him back here. Just keep it full.
Yeah, dude. That's like a 5-pounder.
Later, buddy. On.
Tighten the drag a little.
One crank. This one's definitely bigger, dude.
Bigger?
100%. No. I'm tightening it one more. Come back.
Why are you using that rod though? Dude, is it a 20 plus?
Yeah, it is actually. I'm not even kidding, dude. I'm trying to pull it back, bro.
Nick, wanna try?
Dude, I gotta tighten it even more, dude.
Don't break off.
Dude, it's stuck in a stick right now, bro. Come on, bro. Dude, it's big, dude. Broke off. Broke off.
It broke. You broke off?
Yeah.
No way.
I told you it was big, dude. Oh no, it just popped off.
Popped off.
Bro.
Oh, it's huge. It's huge.
Dude.
Dude, no, you got.
Can you even move it? I'll reel in.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, dude, it's huge, dude.
One of those big ones. Oh, dude, if I hook that fish, there's no way I'm getting it.
I think it's stuck on that one branch too. See that?
Yeah. Is that why it feels so big?
But it's big.
Oh yeah, you got it out.
It's big.
Dude, I want to see one jump.
Yeah, long ass fight, dude. It's huge. It's huge. This is 20 plus easy. Oh my god. Bigger than the first one.
Dang.
What do I even do? Like,
I don't know. He'll eventually come in.
it's just huge.
Yeah. Dude, we need like a landing net next time.
We need to get a weight, like a scale.
Yeah.
Should I tighten the drag?
Yeah. I mean, I don't think you're gonna break off.
I think it's huge.
Is it going to the left? Should I reel my rod in? Yeah, it's pretty big. Oh, yeah, it's pretty big. It's fat, dude. It is fat. Dang, dude, that's a monster. That is a monster.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
That is
Wait, I'm getting bit.
a 20 plus.
No, I think he's on your
Um,
Do you see it?
yeah, I see it.
Get a nice video. It's gonna be another like 30 seconds.
Dude, it's bigger than your last one. Oh, dude, he just sucked it. Want me to land him?
Yeah, dude, try Yeah, Jack, I don't think there's no way your rod can handle it.
No. No way. It'll be a fun fight, though.
Yeah.
I think that's what the last one was.
Dude, this might be 25.
I have no clue, but it's big, dude. I gotta get another thumbnail pic. You want all?
I'm gonna hold
if
it up.
you don't, all right, you'll hold it up, all right. Because it's huge, you might as well hold it up.
What's the head on
It's not like huge, but it's like
It's-
big to it's like big to huge in the middle of there, and it's fat. Right here.
The fight is way better.
Get this log out of here. Come here, buddy. Look at this fish. Wow. Yo, Nick, you want to hold the camera? If it's wet, just dry it off. Want me to pick it up? No, no.
I don't even know where the line is. There it is. Oh yeah, it's in there good. Does he have any sores on him? Here, Jack, pick him up. Try to pick him up out of the water.
Dude, just grab his lip and
Yeah, you can't really do that. 20 pounds. Sure.
I'm gonna get him. Oh God, no.
Yeah, that's. No, the other one was fatter though. Yeah, the other one was fatter.
Oh, you want to get a picture?
Yeah.
Oh, you're on, Nick.
Nick.
Here, hold his thing and
Here,
record
I got it. Nick, give me the GoPro.
it. He's on.
Double up.
Come here. Show this fish real quick, though.
Look at that.
We're doubled up.
Look at that. That's me. That's me. And then that's Nick.
Dude, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, I gotta pull my line and it's gonna get tangled.
Nick is so happy right now. Look at his face. My man's is so
Dude, what if we
happy.
tripled up?
My man's is
Dude, I just
so
hear
happy.
the drag getting pulled. I'm like,
Nick, fight it.
all right, let me get this hook out. Is this
He's-
hook out?
double
No.
up. Let's get it. Wait. Oh wait, yeah, it is.
It's out. Oh yeah, just no,
Unless it's
here, just leave it there. I'm gonna hold it and take a picture. But Nick is there.
Alright, you got it?
Nick is
Here.
so happy right
Is it
now.
dried off? Dude, look at that fish, though. We
Gang.
gotta get him back. We gotta get him back soon.
Gang.
All right, Nick.
Yeah, Nick, expert.
Dude, you don't let it get tangled. Just keep it. Yeah. If you want to bring it down here, I'll land it for you. Or I could land it there if you want.
I think I can get it.
What size is it? A little smaller than that one?
We'll see.
It's definitely big though.
Yeah,
15 probably.
Nah, I think it might be 20.
No, I don't
No.
think it is. It's like 10, I think actually. Yeah, it's 10.
It's Nick.
I don't know what a 20 would do. Dude, we gotta get that guy back.
No, it's fine.
Get a
It's
double of
it's
you both
yeah.
holding
No,
it.
but it's fine though. Carper's good. Nick, it's small. What do you mean? Nick, that's a tiny one. Nick, you made it seem like it was huge. Like, put that next to mine, dude.
Alright, ready? Here, open the drag. Look at these Johns.
Compare.
Look at that. Oh, he's all
Nick-
muddy now.
Nick made it seem like his was big.
Alright, dude, let's get a pic of you
Alright.
guys holding these.
Alright.
And then, dude, who's calling me right now?
You, the way that you
I thought it was huge. No! It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, it's fat. Is he good? Big fish. Off he goes, baby.
That's my
Insane.
second one.